FinTech Scouts are for us a very useful tool in order to better understand what use cases and business models are developing around these technologies, which of them can we replicate or even copy for us, where can we seek for cooperation and partnerships, or where can we use them only as kind of an ideation pool for future endeavors.
Global FinTech Scout program started as an initiative on how to have more touch on what is happening across the world, and the key motivation is really to have some source of the ideas, inspiration, and some possible cooperation with these FinTech Scouts.
My name is Akshat. I'm a Global FinTech Scout with Tatra Bank, and I'm also the head of department for core payments at Revolut.
I'm Aditi Subbarao. I'm the Global Financial Services Industry Lead and Strategic Partnerships Lead at an AI startup called Instabase.
I am Varija. As my day job, I'm a product manager in a fintech startup in London.
So I joined the Global FinTech Scouts program because one, I have been in and around startups for the last 10 or 15 years. And second, I was looking forward to seeing how does a large high street bank incorporate some of the new innovations that startups are working on. Because at the end of the day, every startup is looking for a killer use case that a large bank can most certainly provide.
RBI, when I spoke to them and when I learned more about the program, they have a genuine motivation to be able to adopt the right technologies, not just in AI, but as we saw in the embedded finance space, in the digital asset space, and quantum computing, to be able to take the best of what's out there and actually use it for the benefit of their customers.
I came from a more consumer product side of things, and then I moved slowly towards fintech and really just providing financial options to customers that were not previously available. And I think the RBI focus for this Global FinTech Scout program is very much on that angle, in terms of providing more and more innovative solutions to customers that you already have.
Well, I do still see, of course, AI is one of the drivers of the conversation. The second thing is certainly now this maturity in the blockchain ecosystem, mostly here in digital assets, and we are also very specifically looking into use cases when it comes to embedded finance. And lastly, we are also looking into nascent or advancing technologies like post-quantum computing, etc. So what is our appropriate response to these developments in order to secure systems or even advance them?